I'm Lauren Vakneen, and I was led here through my journey from disability, severe disability, to wellness. And in that journey, I learnt that a complete life optimization, whole person approach to well-being is what really heals us. And so I create these events to empower women, help them step into their purpose, help them really tune back into their authenticity, and just creating kind of a safe space for women to heal. The intention of the event is to bring women together. So I create different exercises that we do. We always open with a cacao ceremony. Cacao is sacred plant medicine. It invites us to step more deeply into our feminine and enables us to reach deeper states of consciousness. Each woman gets to introduce herself and talk a little bit about why she's here, and she offers something sacred to her over to the group to hold for her. And then we engage in energetic processes that allow us to release that. So we go through some deep holotropic breathing, which is really emotional. We talk about honouring our trauma and then processing it through and out of the body so that we're no longer holding it in our energetic system. We always get a lot of ladies crying through it because they're releasing some deep trauma, but it's a really important part of the process. And then we had a colour therapy workshop, which was really fun, led by Claire Friedman. And we've just had a lovely, beautiful lunch, and now we're about to go back into some really powerful somatic releasing and exercises, and we're going to have sound healing with Aisha. And we're going to end the day with some ecstatic dance to really just enable that energetic release to happen for us to really truly step into our power.
I am trying to become more into my feminine energy, and as part of that I need to learn to let go and be open to having more female friendships.
It's been totally enchanting and transformative experience. Learning about yourself, bonding with women that you don't really know that well, but just this space that's been created where everyone feels comfortable and open and you're supported.
I'm here grounded, my feet are in the earth, the women feel so purposeful, like they've come here really to gift themselves this moment of love. And I feel like that's the energy that Lauren brings. She brings like an energy of you connecting to yourself, giving back to yourself, and just community of like women that want to hold and uphold each other.
I hope that the women will take away, first of all, the permission to be unapologetically them. It's one of the most important things. I want them to take away the understanding that when we don't process and inform ourselves on our trauma, it ends up defining us. And so we go through those processes to be able to process challenging emotions, traumas that they may be going through, little t, big T traumas. And more than anything, I hope that they go away feeling held and supported in that environment of female friendship.